I chose immigration law, or it chose me is the better answer to that question. What question is why did it choose me? When we started our firm, you know, at the beginning of our practice, you don't really get to pick your clients. Your clients come to you. And because of my own immigrant background and my Caribbean heritage, a lot of the people coming to us, their need was for immigration. And because of that, and having done my own immigration paperwork and my own immigration process myself, I was familiar with the process intimately, from that background. And as a result, I started practicing immigration, and then I fell in love with it, not just because of the practice of law, but because of the impact it had on my clients, their legacy, their family legacy going forward, and the challenge I had as an attorney, because immigration is complex. It is complex, probably the most complex area of the law next to bankruptcy. It's constantly changing. It's constantly becoming more and more challenging. It's hard to know whether you're coming and going. And so for a layperson, I can't imagine how difficult it is to navigate immigration on your own. So that's why I ended up doing immigration and why I've stuck with it all these years. Family law is a misunderstood area of the law. A lot of people believe that it's an easy practice area. They get into it and they leave it because they say, I can't deal with the drama. I can't deal with the difficult clients calling all the time. And what I found is that a lot of people and their family issues, they need not just an attorney, they need an ally, they need an advocate, they need a partner to navigate them through some of the emotional issues that tend to cloud the legal issues. And I've had a lot of success with helping my clients be able to see the big picture and realize that my role in this, it will only last but a few short months sometimes. And as a result, I don't want to leave your life in shambles after. So let's work things out. Let's work things out with the other person on the other side so that you guys can still remain a family. Because in most cases, they will be a family, especially if children are involved. And that has yielded me successful results. I've had clients come back years later and say, I'm glad you were our family attorney because otherwise, we wouldn't speak anymore. And we've had good relationships as a result. So I'm passionate about it because I think the attorney that you choose for your family law matter can either make the process harder or they can facilitate a resolution that will result in you and being a family at the end of the day, if that is important to you. People should hire who they trust. You should hire who you're comfortable with. Um, you should hire someone who's experienced in the matter that you are need to be resolved. I can't say, I won't come out and say hire me per se. I say evaluate your options. Seek out someone, who aligns with who you are, who you can get along with, who you can speak to openly about your issues. If that person is me, then I will speak to you candidly about what your legal matter will involve. I will tell you, we will strategize together. I will be your advocate, I will be your partner throughout the process. That is what I can guarantee. And if you hire me, I will be working on your behalf at all times at my maximum capacity, right? But I may not be the best lawyer for you, right? But that's something that you have to evaluate together, right? It's not just a hire me in all situations. I'm not going to give you that response. Um, Hawm Law is a small firm. I like to say we're small, but we're mighty. We work hard. We have a team atmosphere. Everyone in our office are team players. Every client is Every client is important at our office. This is not a place where clients come in and get lost. Um, we built a reputation of providing quality service. We are community servants. We are of the people. We believe in education, educating people about the law. I think that's a very important aspect that gets lost in the attorney-client relationship. So that's who we are, and that's who we've been, and that's what we've developed over the last 10 years and hope to continue developing as our firm grows within the Central Florida community.